A pre-owned 2017 Ford Fiesta SE. This four-door hatchback has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 123,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.